Welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be talking about factorizing. So what is factorizing? Well, all you need to do is just find a common factor in the expression, and you need to look at every single element of the expression. So here we have three parts of the expression, and as you can see, the common factor is a. Every part can be divided by a, so the first part ab, if you divide by a you get b, second ac divided by ac, and the final one is also just a d. Okay, so that's all. For example, let's look at 3x squared plus 2x plus 10xy. So all you have is the numbers have any common factors? No, they don't, because there is no number that you can divide 3, 2 and 10 by, apart from 1. And letters, they have all in common x, so x is going to be outside of the bracket. Now we look first part, 3x squared divided by x, so that will be just 3x. And then the next part is 2x divided by x becomes just a 2. And then the final part is 10xy divided by x becomes 10y. Okay, we're going to look at the second example now. So we have 15x cubed plus 5x squared y. And in this example, it's a bit more complicated, so you have several factors. So first of all, if you look at the numbers 15 and 5, they are both divisible by 5. Therefore, 5 is one of our factors. And if you do 15 divided by 5, we will get 3. So the 3 will go inside the bracket. And then 5 divided by 5 will be 1. So 1 will be our second part of the expression, and it will be a plus between them because that's what's originally in the expression. The other factor they have is x squared, so we'll divide the first part x cubed by x squared, and that's gonna leave us with an x. Okay, so add x to the 3, and then x squared and y I will divide by x squared, and that will become just 1 because there will be no x left. So I'm gonna write 1 times 1 and times y because y is left. And then the final step is just make it all nice and tidy, so it will become 5x squared in brackets 3x plus y. Thank you for watching. Give us a like if you enjoyed our video, subscribe and comment below if you have any more questions.